Hello, this is Gia Thinh Automation Service. In this video, we will introduce you to our Smart Dropdown function. This Smart Dropdown function will allow users to automatically update the dropdown list from a source sheet or column to a destination sheet or column, or update a contact list from a source sheet to a destination sheet. The next demo here will clarify how to use this Smart Dropdown function. So let's use case 1. In the dropdown source sheet here, I have a column called Dropdown Options containing a list of options from 1 to 6. And I want that in this source sheet list when I change the options from 1 to 6 here. Then in the second sheet, we have a destination sheet. We have two columns called single select and multi-select. The values in this single select column have options inside that will be changed according to the source sheet on this side. And similarly, the multi-select column will have options that we can select that are available based on the source sheet on this side. So let's try to practice. I added a 7th and 8th option, and then Gia Thinh Automation Service will automatically update the list of options from 1 to 8. On the destination sheet on this side, we are going to refresh again. Now option 7 and option 8 will appear in the single select column, and you can choose option 7. Similarly, in the multi-select drop-down column, we also have option 7 and 8 appearing. So let's move on to the second use case of updating a contact list. Here I have a sheet called Contact List Source Sheet. This sheet contains a list of options for employee emails. And when I change the email list in this column, I want the second sheet to also have two columns called Single Select Contact and Multi-Select Contact. The first column, Single Select Contact, will contain a list of employee emails corresponding to this source sheet. And similarly, the Multi-Select Contact will contain the email list also taken from the source sheet. So here we're going to add the emails of two new employees. The first is Dang Kan, and the second email is from Gia Thinh Company. Here, we're going to save it. And I want these two contact emails from Dang Kan and Gia Thinh to be updated through the second sheet, contact list destination on this side. Here, we're going to refresh again. You can see that in the first column, single select contact, there will be appearing two new emails, Dang Kan and Gia Thinh, and I can choose Gia Thinh. And similarly, in the multi-select contact column, there's going to be two new employees, Gia Thinh and Dang Kan. And we're going to save it. In the two usage situations mentioned previously, we use Gia Thinh's automation service. We provide smart drop-down services on Gia Thinh's automation services platform. And in this situation, you can see that I have declared a smart drop-down task called Demo Account Update Pick List. In this task, I defined the source sheet and source column in the upper part, and I also defined the target sheets and target columns in the lower part. By choosing the source and destination, Gia Thinh's Smart Dropdown Task Service will automatically update the drop-down list for your destination sheets and columns. Similarly, here I also built a smart drop-down task called Update Contact List. In this task, I have defined the source sheet and source columns related to the contact list. And in the target sheet and destination column, I have also defined it here below. Here with two functions, Smart Dropdown for Update Pick List and Update Contact List, you can update drop-down lists and contact lists for your sheets. So in summary, With Yatin's automation service Smart Dropdown function, you can use it to update customer lists, product list, or even employee list for your forms and sheets related to your customers, your products, or your employees. You can also use Smart Dropdown to update customer email lists, employee emails for your sheets and your forms in your process. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial and presentation. If you have any questions or need advice, please contact us using the information here. We offer Smartsheet products and We Smart solutions, helping to digitalize processes in your organization.